Well, there it is, done at last, the Spitfire Mk.V. Specifically the Spitfire Mk.V of Jeff Northcote, DSO, DFC, Duxford 1943, 402 Squadron. So I've managed to find a grey which I was satisfied with, and from then on the rest of it was just finishing putting the parts together. A little bit close up like that. And yeah, just an assembly job at the end. I haven't got a radio antenna on there yet, but I might do in the future. I've got to put some more decal soft on to get rid of some of the silver in. But as far as the decal is concerned, I'm quite pleased with them because, I don't know if you can notice on the camera, but the nice matte finish on the roundels. Sometimes the roundels can be shinier than the paint surface, but I think these ones blend in a bit. I've cut the roundels along the aileron end, but I think I've made too much of a stark contrast there, so I may not do that in the future. I've tried to put some overwash on it. Got a bit of dirt laser on it, and on the flaps and the ailerons, that sort of thing. Use some Flory wash, dark dirt I think it is, but plenty of decals, little stencils and things. I haven't got the pitot tube on yet, but that's just a matter of having a nice day to put get the glue out, and then it'll be done. But it's 99.5% done at the moment. So this is my reveal video. So yeah, it's a good kit, a nice little cheap kit to have, less than £10, and there we are. So the Revell 172 scale kit 04164 of the Spitfire Mk.V. Thank you for watching, and over to me. Here we are looking at my stash of a big long list. Got 81 at the moment, including the ones I'm probably going to order. It's my laptop surges to keep cool. Yeah, so just to say, I've got like 11 or 12 Spitfires left to build, including the ones I've got on order, which are the second option of the one I just made, this one here, and a artillery one for Johnny Johnson's aircraft, another City of Winnipeg squadron. In dark is ones I've got. In grey is either ones I've not got yet. I've got them in red, they're not ordered, and the ones I've got on order. And there's so there's 3 on order, and the rest of them are either planned to be ordered or I've got in a stash, which gives me a fair amount, a squadron's worth of Spitfires yet to make it. But yeah, there's quite a lot of aircraft still to build. This is one aircraft really, because I'm using the decals of one for the and the kit of another. I think that's one I got gonna order, but we'll see. Excuse me for scratching my nose. These are all daydreams really, because I'm thinking, well, I could buy this, I could buy that. Of course, not as much as the daydreams of the fantasy list of kits, but I'll never get around to building them. I'll end up selling them again, won't I? So there we are. I keep a record of what I built, what I've ordered, what I bought, what I've haven't built yet, or in the middle of building. Usually turn everything orange. Say if I was going to build, say I was building that one next, which I've just ordered again, I'll just mark it as orange. It's like amber, because it's like in between built and not built. So there we are. Thanks for watching, and we'll see when I can get the other kit finished, which should be soon. Okay, take care now. Bye.